guys, welcome to our vlog. Today I'm going to tell you about our channel. Guys, we are back. This is our episode, Abafana the return. And guys, please subscribe and like. This is our actors. We are here to help and entertain you. YouTubers, TikTokers, we are here for you. Family, have.
Hey guys, please like and subscribe. Guys, like.
This is so that you can enjoy the scenes, but it's still a child. This you can see. Everyone can follow and like and subscribe if you want to on our show. If you like it, if you want 2, 3, 1 of our next If you want more videos, please like and follow. Follow me.
Share my video.
Guys, this is our young star. She's only 5 years old. Guys, if you want her on one of our videos, please subscribe and like. For more videos, follow on TikTok and YouTube. Subscribe. You can be officials on TikTok and on YouTube. Then on TikTok we are and our specialty, when you follow us and like us, for us we follow you and like for you. This is our director. Let's push some vibe. We are vibing here, so guys, we like your support and likes. This is our actors. We love our thing, what you do. But if you want to join, you can contact us. We are at Zitobeni Mahad. We are at Brongo Spring, Zitobeni Mahad. Contact us. We act everywhere. In Zitobeni, you can find us in Marikana, in Extension 2, in Extension 1. But we don't go to Tunusa, guys. Contact us, we can come and get you. This is our video, our vloggers, our actors. Guys, let's go.